How's it going, tubers? It's me, AMR, and welcome to my unboxing video of the Buono Pelle wallet, men's wallet. Do not get mistaken, this is not going to turn into a man's fashion channel. This is simply the AMR unboxing, something unusual, something strange, because I don't think anyone else has unboxed this certain wallet on YouTube. Correct me if I'm wrong. As you can see, the box is pretty nice and neat. It's got the Buono Pelle Italian name on it. To be honest with you, please, I apologize in advance if I'm pronouncing that wrong, because obviously I am not Italian and I don't know. That means something to do with skin. I forgot what it means. But as you can see, as I'm going to open it, it is, wow, it is wrapped in a pretty nice and neat, it looks like a napkin or something. Well, it's not exactly a napkin. It's just a brand advertisement for the Buono Pelle wallet. And let's get that out. Well, this I'm loving the material and the texture of this napkin. Well, it's not a napkin, but this whatever this is, man. It looks pretty neat. You know what? I'm gonna use that as my unboxing mat for this unboxing. Well, as you can see, the wallet itself is in a plastic wrap. So let's unwrap this and get it right out, just like that. And it's also got a humidifying pouch in there. And here is the wallet itself. It looks pretty cool. That actually, it's not too big and it's not too small, and it's pretty good. My previous wallet actually got ripped to shreds. Obviously, after purchasing the super expensive Note 20 Ultra, what else can you expect to happen to your previous wallet? So I bought a new one. When I buy a PS5, it's probably the same thing's gonna happen to that. It's, you know, I'm torturing my wallets these days, literally torturing them. But it's got that little button there, so you can unclip it and get the inside of the wallet. And inside, oh wow, we have plenty of space. Let me just quickly remove this. It says genuine leather. Wow, interesting. I wonder if it is genuine leather. It can't be. I've only got this for around £7, and genuine leather does not cost £7. But as you can see, we've got plenty of compartments here. We've got, let me take this card out. We've got 1, 2 and 3 card compartments. We've also got 1 see-through card compartment, possible for your picture of your loved one or a picture of a driving license. We have a zip here in which you oh yeah, I was about to say change, but no, it can't be changed because it's pretty tight. This is probably to put memory cards or any sort of small little item or sort in there. I don't recommend putting money in there, change in there, because I think that is gonna rip. And inside here, as you can see, it has 1 compartment for notes, and it also has got a zip for a second compartment for notes or whatever you wish to keep in there. I don't know what the second compartment, why the second compartment zipped, I have no idea. But anyways, if you want to keep secure money in there, it's got a zip and it's looking pretty cool, man. Let me quickly show you how it's going to be like by putting a card in here. So here we go, put a card here, nice and easy. And you can also put your driving license or a picture of your loved one right here. That card, it says RFID protection. That means if you've got contactless cards and you're in a tight spot such as a train or a tram stop and you've got some hackers on the loose over there, they cannot access your card while it's in this wallet because it is protected by RFID. So yeah, that's what I thought. That is pretty cool, pretty neat. And the main thing about this wallet I wanted, because I always have loads of change, is this, the change compartment right here. The change compartment has these extra lids to them, which means you can stretch it as much as you want and you can put as much change as you want in there. Material in there looks a bit weak, but I reckon it can hold a couple of coins in there. Well, not a couple, more than a couple of dozen, to be honest with you, coins in there. That is all done for the outside. The back side is literally plain, and the front side, it says Buono Pelle there, and as you go, here we go, you open it up and there you have it. This was the Buono Pelle unboxing. I got this from Amazon. Link in description below to the amazing seller that gave me this wallet. Even like literally 3-4 days before the estimated delivery. Excellent service. Go and check that guy out right now if you want to buy the wallet. And it's also great for a gift. As you can see, it comes in literally a beautiful box, which most sellers do not include when you buy it. But this seller included it, and you can send it as a gift. You know, Christmas is coming. You can gift someone this wallet. And this is going to be my first 4K 60 frames per second video on the YouTube, shooting with my brand new phone, a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra phone. If you haven't seen the unboxing to that, please go and watch it right now. If the quality does not come as expected because of my room light, and especially I don't know, it's my first time doing a 4K video, so I don't know how the encoding and stuff is gonna be like. So I apologize in advance, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it should be amazing. And yeah, guys, once again, don't forget hit that like button, don't forget hit that subscribe button. Peace out.